Well, here we go again. Rain and all. Personally, my concept was that this rain would mostly be gone by now. But I looked at the news, looked like it might last until late on this evening. Or maybe even through later tonight. But I guess the little plants, they seem pretty good and happy. Plant right here just wild. I don't care what, it grows everywhere. Had to take it off the fence to grow all over the fence, down the fence. That's all right. Let's see. Yeah, boy, but it's good and raining around here. At least the little plants themselves ought to be happy, if nothing else. But it's sure enough it was raining now. And it's just real rain. Yeah, buddy. Look at this roselle. And enjoy your day. I'll do the same. Bye.